Colour Magic Radiant Red Wax cleans, shines and restores paintwork. It adds colour while providing long-lasting protection and outstanding shine, and is available in a variety of colours for different vehicles. Step 1. Wash and dry the vehicle. Shake the bottle well and be sure to test the product on a small area to check the colour match. Step 2. Apply a small amount of product onto a damp foam applicator or cloth and spread evenly on one section at a time. Allow the product to dry to a haze. Step 3. Remove excess with a cloth. Buff lightly to enhance gloss and colour depth.